Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by verifying prerequisites. Make sure data roaming is enabled in settings and that you have an active roaming plan with your carrier. Next, reboot the iPhone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a fresh network search. This clears temporary radio glitches. While the phone restarts, eject the SIM, look for damage or dust, then reseat it firmly, if you can. Test the SIM in a different unlocked phone to isolate handset versus SIM problems. Once done with the basics, focus on network controls. Go to carrier settings and disable automatic selection, then choose a compatible local network. This forces registration when automatic fails. If that doesn't stick, reset network settings to remove corrupt profiles. Be ready to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords because those are erased. Also check for carrier settings and iOS updates in About and Software Update. These updates often include radio and roaming fixes, so install them, then reboot again to apply new config. To finish, contact your carrier. Confirm roaming is activated for your account, check APN and provisioning, and ask about regional blocks or device blacklists. If carrier confirms everything looks normal, but the iPhone still shows no signal, back up and restore the device to rule out software corruption. Only do this after carrier checks. If trouble continues, try a local prepaid roaming SIM. If that works, the issue is likely account provisioning. If not, you may have a hardware radio fault needing repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.